Hello everyone, and thanks for tuning into the Financial Investor channel. My name is Brent, and today we're going to be going over a quick pullback video here on Thursday, January 3rd, 2019. So if you are brand new to the channel, a recurring subscriber, hit the subscribe button. If you do enjoy the video, help find it useful, hit that thumbs up. And of course, if you have any comments, questions, you want to drop some links, some articles over some news that I may not be covering in today's video, let me know in the comment section below. I think it's always nice to be able to share content and information online, and that is what we are here for. So anyways, going into today, Wednesday's after hours and Thursday, it was all about Apple. Apple came out, lowered their forecast going into the quarter here 2019. Apple dropped by over 7% here, dropping 7.49% here on Wednesday after hours, losing $11.83. It was a crazy end for the first day of the stock market here in 2019. I put out a couple articles here covering what Trump had said, calling the stock market in December a market glitch. So a couple articles there if you guys want to check out that. Warren Buffett bought Apple around 164, somewhere within that range. He has lost over $3.8 billion. So when you're looking at your portfolio and you're losing percentages and percentages, and it's 100, a couple thousand, a couple tens thousands, depending on how your portfolio size is, just remember Warren Buffett's out there. He owns an enormous amount of Apple and has already lost $3.8 billion off his investment just last year. So that is just something to consider there. Now, Apple has came out saying that the economy, they had made in their remarks that Apple is slowing down over in China just because of the demand with the tariffs and trade war, and that is all playing a part there. So I thought I'd just kind of post like a little picture over there on Instagram, Fun Day post there. And that was basically all I've sort of posted here within the last 2 days of trading. Now the S&P 500 here on Thursday lost 2.48%, biggest loss here for the day or for the year, obviously. So year to date we are down 2.35%. The Dow Jones here started down over 400 points and just continued to kind of go slightly lower here through the day. It made some little bit of a recovery here towards the midday, but then completely sold off the recovery there. Bulls weren't biting. It just kind of fell back below, down 2.83% for the day. NASDAQ as well. NASDAQ was actually hit the hardest. Anything tech related was slammed today. So with Apple and just Apple, when the announcement comes out that Apple is lowering their forecast and guidance, all the companies that rely on Apple for their products, their screens, their semiconductors, all those stocks within that, the industry are also slammed. So NASDAQ here lost 3.04%. Year to date, it is down 2.59. Not quite as much as the Dow Jones there. And then here we have the Russell 2000. This is, again, small mid-cap stocks, so not as affected nationally and as large as some of those semiconductor tech stocks. So this one lost today 1.85. I believe it is, it has kind of escaped the major carnage of Thursday. It is still down year to date 1.31%. Emerging markets here down 1.81 as well. Apple here in the day, Thursday, lost 10.03. This is showing down here. It's down 10.03. Up here it's showing down 9.96. So very close to 10%. Here year to date we are down 9.86%. So a very big loss for 2019 so far. And that is my main holding inside of my IRA over on Narrow Edge. So stock futures are looking currently positive, meaning that we may end up Friday here positive, but this can all turn around in a quick snap. So if you're planning on buying tomorrow morning, you could buy. Hopefully it kind of averages up on the way back up, or some news could come out. Here we can see that Japan is down 2.82, so as Apple has announced an economic slowdown, that could be affecting Japan. It looks like Hong Kong is up here in the after hours, and they're actually up right now. They're currently open, so the market is open. Hong Kong up 1.38, as you saw yesterday in our video. I know we covered a video here just a few days ago. It may have been yesterday, but Hong Kong had actually been down. Actually, it was like Tuesday night. Hong Kong was down 3%, so they're doing some sort of recovery as well. After hour, here we have a number of stocks up over almost 2% here. Not a lot of names here that I do recognize. Newell Brands, that's one of them there. Let's see, laggards. Not a whole lot. So down here in the most active, we have General Electric moving down 0.2, Bank of America down 0.08, CenturyLink up 0.26, Microsoft. I know Microsoft, some investors were asking about this within the Facebook groups if they should buy Microsoft. I still think it has more room to fall before it is any buying option. I believe it's still trading currently above its 200-day moving average, and it was one of those ones here in October, November that wasn't really it hasn't really fell as much as the other FANG stocks in this one. I believe it does have some room there to fall and continue falling. You can see here that Verizon, they had a very nice run up here recently, so coming back slightly here in the after hours by 0.39, nothing there. Coca-Cola, Kelgane Corp, very nice and positive. AT&T had a very nice jump here on Wednesday, up 3%, I believe. So they came out of that $27, $28 range, bounced all the way up to $30. So very nice increase there for them. Facebook continuing to fall, but they're hovering around that 130 range. Walt Disney, I'm waiting for them to fall below 100. Johnson & Johnson there at 125. So very good as far as some of the main stocks they're trading there actively in the after hours. So here we have the one-day performance for Thursday. Apple, again, down 9.96, but you can see how it affected most of the tech stocks here. So Google, Facebook, Microsoft, Adobe, Intel there, down 5.5, Cisco down 4.38, NVIDIA continuing to fall 6.04, and just many. We have our semiconductors here. You can see, what was it? SKS. It's not Stanley Black & Decker. It's... boy, I can't think of the name there. But let's go ahead and continue. Financials, again, kind of selling off. Here, utilities were sort of positive there. So Southern Company there as a holding of mine. Edison International, that's another holding, both positive. So it's good to have some diversity as we've been having those, last couple months from October, November. It's good to kind of diversify your portfolio away from just tech and high flyers into sort of healthcare, utilities, kind of diversify your portfolio, give you some more, expose yourself less to the ones that are able to fall the fastest there. So financials going down 2.25, home builders down 1.22 in the day. Oil popping up here after into the New Year's, going up over 1% there in the last 3 trading days. Up year to date 3%. The dollar had a strong recovery jump forward here. So going into the new year here, there was a weird little run up here. So on the New Year's, as we kind of markets reopen here, we had a quick run up all the way from 95.86 all the way up here to the top at 96.93, and we kind of pulled back now slightly. I believe, I'm not sure what the reason was for the dollar jumping. I know, I think it was the China or the Japan, the Yuan, the yen or something over there. Something along there jumped up 3%. I remember someone in the Forex community was talking about how one of the, the currencies over there had jumped up over 3%. So US dollar down 1.4% versus Japan's currency. Okay, so it may have been Japan's currency that had jumped up 3%. So I've seen a lot of investors jump in the silver here. Silver up over 3.15% just within the last 5 trading days. Today up 1.3%. This could be a good time to buy silver and gold to kind of hedge your portfolio if you are starting to take some losses in there. So here gold up 5-day change 1.54. As you know, if you look up the article, Goldman Sachs executive gets in trouble for, what was it, a lawsuit against JP Morgan for rigging silver. There was an article about that back in November time frame. So as of that point, silver has been beginning recovery. Silver actually fell below $14 for a while. So that could be an interesting buy opportunity. Gold, if you're looking for a ticker symbol GLD or BAR, are some very common gold ones. I'm not positive if there are any dividend paying gold or silver stocks. I know there are some mining companies out there that mine gold and silver that you could buy that do pay dividends. Bond market here continuing to go higher, 0.39 in the day, up 1.09 for the 5-day change there. Now if we look at the current 3-month bond treasury here, we have a 2.36 and the 10-year here 2.55. So these are not the bond rates. Let's see here. Where are the bonds? They're not showing up here. That's performance. So I'll have to find another page here where I can find the actual yield, the bond yields, and then we'll be taking a look here at those as well. But treasury rates, they're not showing up there. So I will find another page, kind of go into that, because I think it is interesting that the 1 year, 2 year, 3 year are all flattened out now in comparison to the 10-year note. So that is all for today's video. Just want to make a quick video going over some of the news within Wednesday, Thursday. A lot of Apple, so go and check out. There's so many articles out there. I know I posted them on my Facebook page here about Trump coming out with the glitch. I made a video going prior to the first day of trade on some reasons why the economy could be slowing down and why we peaked out. So check that video out. Check the article there in the description and also in the comment section of that video. But otherwise, that is it for today's video. If you guys did enjoy the video, found it helpful, hit that thumbs up button below. If you are brand new to the channel, hit that subscribe. And of course, if you have any comments, questions, articles you want to share, let me know in the comment section below. And have a great day. I will see you on Saturday. Bye.